Today, the South Sudan women basketball team, also called the Bright Starlet, lost to Mali with a score of 76-50. This was their second loss against Mali in this tournament. Mali is a strong basketball team in Africa. They will now play Nigeria in the championship final. These two teams played in the final before in 2021. Even though South Sudan lost, this is still a great moment for the team. This was their first time joining the tournament, and reaching the semi-final is a big achievement. They made the whole country proud. South Sudan players show they are talented. They prove that they can compete with the best team in Africa. Many young people in South Sudan are now inspired to play basketball too. During the match, Mali started strong. In the first 5 minutes, South Sudan was behind 13-7. By the end of the first quarter, Mali was leading 29-8. At the halftime, Mali had a 31-point lead. In the second half, South Sudan played better, but it was not enough to close the gap. Mali rested many of their top players and still keep control of the game. The best player for Mali was Sira Sieno, who scored 14 points. Other players like Dijeneba and Alima also scored well. It was a team effort. Game stat: Mali had more rebound, 54 vs 38. Mali made more assists, 23 vs 8. Mali made more 3-point shot, 8 out of 25. South Sudan made 3 out of 18. Mali bench players scored 42 points. South Sudan was the underdog in this tournament. They got in though a wild card, not by winning their group, but they still play very well. South Sudan will now join the 2026 Women World Cup qualifier. They are also likely to play again in the 2027 Women Afro-Basket tournament. Mali player Rokia Dombia said, South Sudan played very well. Reaching the semi-final is not easy. We played better today than in our first game. South Sudan player Sarah Deng said, this was our first time in this big tournament. We are proud of what we did. Mali is a strong team, but we did our best. Even though the Bright Starlet did not win, they have made history. They will come back stronger. The future of South Sudan basketball look bright.